Hello, agus fáilte hiic na seansalaithe mas maidh seans a bhacu glaciad na seansalaithe is me se Hugh McGilliccara and seo ag tús an tairí basically tá muid actually an amsir géir níos fearr a bhain go like light in seo an seachtainí seo sure go muid gart ní tá muid go fád beo so tá se bhfuil ding bit a géiste an phodchraoladh seo tá go fád beo so tá muid ceart leor tá man seo le mo chuid cóleaciad le mo chuid cairde mar is gra ar dúspóir Áine bhuiir Áine go timir tá tú
gan white to do Lord Queen I'm sure white task but ta ton chasa chat and der Jack na show she marked her feature he car came just sang Janoni sto my student shin
not it's bralum global warming shin run fair what is gaff
I love it
oh yeah it's jay mas jay it's few on tan shin run fair I guess faster and farlish and summer bod James of Fáilte James where that
yeah and here though she's the brand of bod makers now need summer bod Thompson 100% full on all year round dad bod Thompson agus homáile ní am cin amsir dat ús mar clia ach tá sé dúirt a báisteach in gáile de seachtainí so gole sunny east ní chéile an tad romsa tá mis in gáile náting 75% gan am báisteach
Wis go dé bhí gáú nu bhí chlóis nachta
Stop.
No, being green and tanu as quick woman nation be clohish nachta in me alternate.
Fucking hate it. Just
oh my god. I'm sure Aaron in a nutshell is like an Amshire's Gaunt and then an Amshire's Massa again quick woman together. I can imagine shot Leve can't be Amshire. No. Unless Gubishin of RE Gary Lordfree, I don't think Gubay. Sure. Acta anspecial oging and chatting Shaw, Fáilte Gaeilge, fucking Ahmad, and Ban is Greek, I think, in the man. Ciara Ní É, Ciara, do you remember that too?
Oh, like you talk, you're really my good. Oh god, we say fáilte attack you're gonna beg larger if I took a second and shit.
Gary just like, Gary, come on, Gary. Bród digging around. I know that role like shop the much like in shamra which a wad needs fossa to be like to like a laku shah whatever to lead in or whatever Eagrán rud a her and dropper to much gram here or zoom or this part remember that to whole griha or casla they're in criú because they're hamlet
they're my good yeah Tommy gama we may only video so gum so biog hogan lean on their shock the show I shouldn't be on a V hospital show and I'm sure good jazz in Aaron
really gram here it's going in a flagging to cheer being an Amshire's fire ni vincha chiche good jazz and then the second the book into it's like Tesla who change the freezing gather Ryanair it's just like tagging and agree on the mock
Tá burnham tá ein ag default so call him Tá burner
the car
na hey story Aaron
Dá na hey story is Nigella Lawson come le screen exam she back
like good check us le phodchraoladh you know table manners na bhí na máthair cócail hartar an sa kitchen as der beard and he kind jury
oh good job
so tá phodchraoladh sort uirgan an chatan
so nis be art an Aaron a shawl big a handle like an ugging in ish
curry me sleeping a glue of litroch agus Johnny me kuve
got to hot sauce for a good version they hot take you know so hot wings and ocean
nasty can I there's to be turn the lens here
Tá mé dul kosher na gart an chéadú dom a bheith dul tá Carla Maposa ach ba me Merlin you know by sé cool ní bha sé no you know tá mé dul gotí ceann eile ní sé ní sa bhlíon agus ba sé Carlingford and everything it's like bram go my vibe lá agsú ar an dá there
not in the club ní here go my Carlingford is Halle Berlin
Cé tá Carlingford a gcóí just smuiti mar stopnar tattúir an drain
oh se like nílas gom cumar an ar scoil agus bhí mar caiaáil nó cin yeah
Tá sé áitiúil go leor duite
Cadú seáte chuig a choúach ons train Irish
na tú Hallan Merlin a bhfuil tú chun Eagrach Aerach Berghain an club inta you know exclusive tom
ní dóm go meid sé feúach dom sa mar nílam roho go le techno agus capan go sé níos modéir ar Aeracha agus ní well like is málam fear Aeracha agus farlam maná Aeracha
So ní hé an vibe a tú cuairtú.
Yeah, tá ben ar benam an Lido má bhíon aine ann riamh agus China Sheetson, like bhíon íonanta like de héine agsúile acu ach bhí like ihan na nochtdóí ann ar bhí mis ann agus just like ag éisteach le Blue Monday a Hallamór lá daoine like bhí sé class so sin má bhaid.
Oh, deadly. Sin an et bhain do a dearan a haning interchange go Berlin, it's like a badge of honor. It's like, oh yeah, the Michelle tell a shot go Berghain. Well, I know, give sure Berghain and Agus James.
No, you're going to riú Berghain. You're on my riú Merlin. Caim adul.
Yeah, not me.
Petra Virginia raw cool. Petra shna fine.
She don't know what my cool galore.
And that's just on you.
Nero mas even few in Berlin gefáil tasgum go bheith sin like an et le gáil it's an et is exclusive tá like sívní on like le eáil like an wihí tú seach go Berghain it's like agus ahanam it's no but you know le when
yeah go me ann bhí mé siúil Harris agus running me an bhar an Doris agus like just siúla daoine suas chuige trééis bheith an scoúil mór ada seo agus just Derek and far like no just Denja Brahun is law her it's like it's just like me like she just talking ligan like being Didi and she being Soraki we like cutting the ruddy cutting the kushna I like for a stachu like mahatu kav dove no today right I'm pretty like just I'm pretty not such just like you know the vibe is so Marlon Shin being Dini Rod your honey she was talking kav you know dahana egg sula agus Kiberod so I could only come free K not go make your
Ní heb mis a chop ik nále so Níms go war
Ben.
Ní link for a stockage?
No Scotty no just fucking shit like being like well passport on like James of Florida where are you from Irma oh Connemara I swear like Nima weird chin Nima go to the meeting in the beter I don't know sorry and then no go and then couldn't even like after Chicago be my shoes I think we're like hit a fin thing agus Hugh was she's the doll bear agus Hugh was like a bouncer my go like you should lay bear like you should to the so like be my okay Hugh was like agus no not tonight man just was my god actually was my god what no you're too drunk you're like I just brought the words you're like would I actually serious one like you my brother bones earlier you're like with you like would you be go like would you think a no yeah
she done Connemara cowboy chat
yeah basically I grow my shoe funny in the root keys
better go to screen for the fast or call to a meal or
yeah
funny shit
an hour
it's you know they're chin the past ní static is guaranteed in the carnial last two
just raw air you know on fire show crack all
it's gone though 2002 beyond like just mission my baby and
Shin miss arm no I mean well I take Ark to your house the other two more Bobby James I think it's with the baby face art exact opposite vision can't be the SD crackers and the really crackers this is a new affiliate Ciara Ní É Cafe Leon is like Kenner or Hossie to listen affiliate to get punch shot
Hossie me so we have running me back shot Leon him Shin soft father
yeah
near Hig made I could feel like got there like COVID cap maker husband like could be no him I think she'll be a midland chat so she an or husband I guess I said dollar nyart to hinle
Scovenum an chéador gur gohaci me hu attribí bhí sé ar an chlár telefíe ar TG cethir. Cén dóid ar Harlí an transcription sin cén dóid chuirte sin ar bun.
I'm like cool running to it
Criú chuid filiachta hí me gom an cool.
Oh my god bhí dul muir Níos gom go an sin le chéile. Bhí si denna chlór faoi bhí an cóla léirán in níor is denna chlór faoin na Gaeltachtaí agus an sin heasta gothú ceanna anna faoi daoine nachchud sa Gaeltach ach bhfuil Gaeilge acu agus bhí remade gur chuir sé ceistem a bheith mar láthir mar like sin like mo héil like bhí sé an nádortha like bhí si like oh go inis dul béal fersa le bú leis an dram show so mi se like bhí siad ma ahanana mar bhí na dul go béal fersa ag freistal ar na féiltí agus gachrod ach bhí sé híach dhéanam mar chlór féiltí Gaeilge sin tá bhain nach ra. No, bhí mé mé ribh seo gohfuil duine as ga chuig a gine is, mar is as chuig mún tusa aine nach ra.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
Féiltí Gaeilge ar fud na hairan.
Agus Bert van agus Bert lad.
Yeah.
Ní ro riú cover mix mar seo gon hanar an boscréile. Onadí ó ahan chuige.
Yeah. Can cohanas go homan criú is.
Tá áine sin rá ach sin bíon Eagrán Neland bíon áine rá. That's done all ma. Come on áine.
An nefa dún an áine tíir conno. Tá nefa.
Mar dúirt dahiú sé mas rilí as dúna gáiltí ar an tú tíir conno.
Caiit bheith an curva.
As an dáit tú.
No, what's my file am Gaeilge like near Hig me caught a Victoria like we an account let's kind of Kiri I guess very sure like it's up Turkey and I was like calling on arch straight school shot like near cool of very free like I guess on red Kayla to your Connell like I finish take them.
Okay, no else to say phone the coach Gaeilge.
When near me our Grail school no Gaeilge mar sin bhí mé céim siar is socha ó dhaoine a chus mé fáile mar ceart ar an osscoil. Ach bhí mé ar an Gaeltacht ag Conamara. So bhí trá ann gur bhád níos mó Conamara sa mo chud cainte ach dathraigh sé sin agus mé ar an osscoil.
Hí mis gcónaí gur leir tú Gaeilge sáile mar mín dhearthar cumáid genú áhar tú Gaeilge ar bhlach hí mé just gur leir an teile halig.
No, tá sé níos óigen á mé mar sin bhrú mé an teanga síos a scóna.
You were raw again.
The cane fog will call you into your Conal ago.
Well, it's us an Aerach the Moami more. So her Moahar agus just woke she'd go con then Clara when you're posting and he really asked on then Clara me curve but told so bit get about the Darad.
Fan go back to this babe muoinach eile na sure and Claire agus big and you're like oh yeah Brad come on go Bród las bheith.
Leis go bhí dair glas níor Reic me doing all or one.
Get this sweet though.
No, but tá mé ránis ar nó snach Clarí nach mé agus ní fear sin a Harbe tá mé anró as bheith mo Clarína as gur tógu le Gaeilge an altaach mé. Chlár ag immer cínta fiar agus tá go tá mé tartaídóibh.
So ar hasí tu sig fóil ban Gaeilge like tíb muid an scáil ach tú like ag íse scáil or like cin le just brag tú leis an Gaeilge go fólam.
Bhí múntarí maith a gom nar bhí méid sa sé rang ar scáil agus rinne siad árán léon like fós like ní bheoh árán a gom ar árán an Gaeilge ach rinne mar iad ar scáil agus in sin like fós na bíamte ag like seisiún nó sa chlób na rudí agus tosín duine ag cána agus bíon ar ólas a gom an taon chúis ná tuis gonnearn in na múntóirí sin lin iad. So bhrachas ceangal leis an gultúir agus an sin chuime hit an Gaeltacht agus tá ag an mórlam bhrachas láic leis an tanga leis an Gaeilge. The hand an chuig ra like old school, old faced, old, varga, tá chorus ann ach mé just tá sé ar fód na háta. Mar sin bhaite mé Gaeilge elam. Sinné agus like braham like bhfuil sé agus braham bheith buintach le pobl na Gaeilge. Sin rud a bhra nar dag mé an scoil like an mean scoil. Rahas like mar an an Gaeilge ar an osscoil nach me an tanga nó na daoine im a héal. Mar connic mé daoine like a rinne siad like lí nó like leis nó rud éigen náhain leis an Gaeilge agus ní raibh an tám acu chuiná leis agus so hastigam chuiná leis lí.
Is ra mór an go a chud cóirte ag an nám Santos an Gaeilge freisin like nu it just tú hain a bhí an it's just hook tú hain. Tá me gar Gaeilge am sin amazing.
Se ní raibh mór an do chud cóirte buintach leis an tanga. Agus stocha sinna fá nach go mé cordú le daine an sáil le heile. But like it's near pretty like near the space the cane or grin. So like yeah.
Is it just a clostal gur tahi why got le the chuid múntrí seachas an sort narrative seo go mí go leor daoine de an níor múnach go gheartar scoilú é. Plus a tuairt sort de haí chéin go homla different look at the small.
Well, rather warning the múntar machagum agus sin like near hand on taverlum. Ach bí me going around dín like ní hon an ábhar agus tanga.
No.
You know.
Yeah, didn't care. Yeah, but in fairness, we over it's got oofas.
Yeah. Just gone.
Yeah, so it's like near Wallamara or had them in your font. I'd be keen to found in a map.
And Gavin do like Gergarting, I suppose like to kill to tiny targets or Sean that thing you be young anyway more this is go burn a seal like in scream mission like in Gavin Gergarting better usta to yenu or mage to like moon here or skull like them to follow genu drama is na shaskaji is danty is na shakwaji like the Gavin do like probably Gergarting get the budafio on a yenu major legitimate stitcher
Gavin recordo Mochas Prinorth Aaron Club. Agus an sin Julie me go leor lear gach blion agus fan an
fair
plan.
Yeah, just their acting to the skelties with immersion like I don't know like just seems to go like she killed them more meme and this goes to like really fear Brónach agus go watch the lake killed we like DV criú vriste na could be road at land with the like seal na filiat seal na scaliat like in Gaeilge nachhol Brónach is nachhol so
Cap go sé ara over na marna ach nílas gom ní féidir am leir sin mar níl me cínta ach cinnta tá an éiri ruí inta tarlint like just gan an íocht sémas far súlaán tá ag gá leis agus like tú an Colleen Hugh natá dúr tre teachtamach an mu sin dá hangus an Gaeilge
in Gaeilge le fóhedal bear le sínam
so níle okay go bra like so Daisy mar fécin dúr stan an in méir le son comparative le fécin so socha tá bhd níos most if gealgóir go Daisy se
Mas féidir cá muis just a winter fe up blion suirt a bhíine ón trauma sin
agus an tau agus iní an réplór agus like Gavin agus like
Fiú na scéalte sort nua aimimsere bhí siad fós an Brónach cumh lead a lad a chuí mafa chunne curry do partner agus agus sinna cean nua aimimsere Tá go tragóide.
Bhí bhfuil ag measca leis an curry.
Sinna lína bhhain a déan cumnear anna le dunne.
Ní go chuig cumnú ar hedal.
An gra rud sinna tain bhíar an gra rud.
Oh yeah, an gra rud taon tú maithe gur curry agus marítarú.
Yeah. But sinna rud a bhhain because like I was like you're already just Chinese thing like I'd say probably cookish in the Asian and BB just
you fo Chinese Hugh curry bhío.
Twi staach fan Chinese sa scéal.
Yeah.
Jeez. Níl an cíal halhain is ní even a dé mis diva. Indian Chinese curry. Come on.
Well, Indian few kind of mar.
Níl Indian.
This China and Garua.
Is that Chinese or
Garua? That's just chocolate. The Indian and Garua.
Bisha.
Trafna own adog. I can't go on adog in a fresh no. Near me out like.
Fado give me yeah. R.I.P.
Rud a bhí fáca do cheantar.
Wait, she's hostile on you. Jeez.
I will see Josie Emmy.
Yeah, shouldn't pre-rud, shouldn't.
Yeah.
Kind of carne queenu.
Oh no.
So that Josie agus a fado doing this. So first of all, the fado and the chicken nuggets is shower down. Her back on food poisoning, but it's like not worth it like. And then Josie water jagons after alcohol poisoning. But it's like not worth it like so. She really come out go sláán like what she doing to bewaar me 10 agus display.
Sin rá just láidir nuggets is fearr Tá si do mí I gona mar cé ní ró agam sa sin.
Feic de picture omse so seansúil. Bhí me mar chubby little boy.
I'm still a chicken nugget.
Yeah.
I love chicken nuggets.
Bítas an gasar bug sin ar super nanny bhí sin.
Oh, bhí 100%.
Oh my god.
100%. She's a fan because I'm like, look at all these chickens.
Oh my god. And it can't be God. And this, you know, Tatina should see on the Gaeilge like what to see Sraith Dominicanis like and fecking to hain bedroom even few book marketing girls that punching charts no journal landing like bedroom got a mahan in five tummel like in fact to hain a like punching chart.
Dating rinne mé le lin na dín glasála chuoi mé hiag Eagrán agus cha his tréip sin siad I malin skellig I dig leúpa carlam agus bhí sé go díal like Gaeilge bhí airtapin sa take rud nach raibh gom riamh agus like salamín tú cuidmór nach hana caiint an sin like nach mé go gut mar bhí Gaeilge gom like I mu ag scríb ag san óscoil agus ag réháil so bhí sin leor mé up san a rudí sin nach ní raibh like rudí bioga gom like toward them on fallen, you know, it's like they are like sheen coom. Sorry, Shuma Hale is like sea like me, so maybe our beast and on a show I was often counter sin dom Anna her fashion, Martian vi just Aerach Aiteach Gaelach ach it's bradam domach I guess need come on waiting if everything to it. Gohora more like agus bram you know Reic and say more like top pobl na Gaeilge ann agus tá sin on top of dumsa kind of a timp ag dí Ateach freisin, so níl pobl Ateach ann agus bhras weim mé sin mór like yeah so for real kind of mar Kia agus so could argue the cover Kia.
Agus just gan chahabé agad a chiche agus go homlan a bheith just grammy I caiú keys ar fáid the seal man.
No idea cho.
Okay.
Bes go multi-million euro idea vai on. Is go must see Josie mar pub Aerach.
Oh my god, yeah, okay. Absolutely.
You're the grant.
You're grant. Jonas is in Realtas.
And that can do like me door my Jonas, my head may generic James Grant, so door my grant.
Yeah, 100%. They have to grant to Gaeilge mum shot. Huh? Keep
James, I gap into go and winter Connemara fall too. Like I gap into go and winter Connemara fall too. Like a curna Ningwell Tapti a gumpra, K Medini is fall too.
Oh, okay. Yeah, doesn't get to all Togs Neil. Edgarú tá 100%. Doesn't get to all though. I think we'll winter the guys to look more in. Almost clannish. I will.
Keilashu.
Exactly. Keilashu, Karasu, agus. Even Mish's Scotty like. No, them should go in Ireland. It's like Scotty go mach Garú agus. Ní dine Michael Hart kom in vichte. It's kom hart as dine sin de full experience om Keilash mag. Be brand go a hoigen ar dus anyway. Kun nog nog keer door kom maar zeggen aan de skinny jeans. Is cheese bonach pulun kakas om dus aan. Like, I swear, it's just was born. That was born, man.
For my pennies.
Should have Paul Gavins. You can't watch that cool, man. We should give him football. Togs need so it depends. It depends on each circumstance really. Yeah, can't be good. Dini the best to look more in. Come as can Berghain off. It's so good. Dogging chat Berghain. Teaching Berghain warm as sauce.
I can't she like some church brew less near to doing jazz or got kind and tea. Bram knock vacuum like Bram go galordi Igonamara Bader knock ras lean er imachti. So like ta wadni modini Igonamara na when my church brew low. So ta me igler queer wet.
Hey, the James Colley Gaeilge village elder and ish. On that call.
On lig for a stack mate.
Kan maar ook een gap tomorrow dat team op kon maar aan. Is goed zeg.
It's because of Narnia.
Yeah. Yeah, 100%.
Maar wat zie Josie aan Carachmud?
T-shirt on pub. Yeah. Nu een railed. Van rails come over. sin pub pubs a tí trasfuití Josie so that was just for 20 years you got go balle more balle but
Nar bhí mar an cumar ag te an talóra a bit an toán nó commission te an talóra ceapam gur bin an áid te an talóra nar sin a leis an
sin an tascin Chinese sin cinálín I don't know
Ig le Hugh chips a Gaeilge go dóchlog
probably the top 3 gonna publicly at a garú the 3 public garú
Cé ná méid na like na board snooker
oh yeah sinna Itália
okay
serious competitions sin ní á sé amsan réilcha a pizza agus just like read to samach am my gamers
Ke kom was this snooker here I gap go mé to like the etcha a wuhan see I got like I got a mar like the wuhan too like kai tú ding ahaine bulu is snooker le
Neil is gum like kon of mar top bird grafór ní sinna a gumsa so ní raf cead a gumsa immer ví se gimmer le chéile so me le de sé over the king like just so sin skill nach gum
Gotí seo be gobar goá
No I'm on Claritin o James
yes
come was event I go mara le Flash go go se. Comes an Eagrachtas á garú.
Ingáliamh agus sin tá sé ras I géirí. Rudnach mise is bralam úlané bheith gáliamh.
An méid an.
Bai for mé mo heomar an orthe an take scata.
Ai tá seomra in our ganne cumáid.
A bhfuil sim se le chéile.
Yeah.
Family room.
Neil James ar hasasta faoi.
Well, ní mar hása faoi fiú láthir, but basically tusan duine bheits mí hásta Áine ag
Céim fánach bhfuil tú tásta faoi, James?
Interesting details came fire.
Because
Just le bheith fánach le mommy agus daddy.
Yeah, exactly.
Béidir má mai gur a cura thuair go duine cinn ag go siomra.
Sure be majingí sa seomra James, you think bhí ana eála cin fá bit
Mission to the Cassie Constantina sa seomra agus you were labby gí Supermax. Cock blockers.
Tá se bhain gáanta seo tíos go teán.
Like good this is wishful thinking homes I knew go go tar shoot my shot the shumra agus this my go raw just by huge in just a snapbox brandworm and then the all your chin probably the whole new classic cool as an album they were like yeah cut to gimmo sorry that yeah you know
no I'll be hammered die again I'm sure
I don't say I'm proud James
yeah
oh yeah the school had a problem
Cad fuair se cad éon sprucht an Oireachtas.
Sprucht an Oireachtas.
Rá lomsa tafid bio den phodchraoladh anu hísan.
Yeah.
Sa lobby mat a dinner VDA lobby.
I was like, oh my god, Áine.
Oh yeah, I think we're so much
The Chancellor after dark. Fáilte.
Special that Colleen James.
Colleen James could be thinking random at this genre. So Kalashu agus Kate the Watcher.
Trick Colin Jamesy like she goes she does so fucking eat. So she's on hers. No,
excuse me, oh yeah, she goes this anyways because
because I'm being podcast with jazz.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. But agus lasted on podcast 20 seconds.
Fish in a bumper go féidling úsáid.
Well, podcast show.
Sílam. Spirtum sa den Oireachtas is just gan bheith callú, just cos bíon crack going gáil.
Yeah.
Agus just ní bhím sa like ahanam a chéim, just ní chéim a hallú, go tí like chuig ná sé logur margin like ur hallú straight gin breakfast there.
Seachas an bblion is City West. Bhí siad a gur an dul lí luúan, Roiste gur gonna be fan in the sea. Seachas hí sa go lárne, bhín siad a freistalirt, like ag le drocha ceanna go dtí, a chuig gur maidin na glarnú. City West bhí si crína his úsart ar hain sílam. Ní híd siad just gur weird as ceart
Back in dubs.
Full on City West, like near she arúna. Agus cuir siad arás a ríis, like we still love it.
Ru de show in Eagrán na go bit na pintavat like no chlog am just like class like.
Agus by ship shot sun Ostan, man you're very glum show all to Glen Eagle. I've seen over the fire, it's like shooting through shoot side like costumes and all kind of things. She knows about her bod never
her cruise ship.
Yeah.
Sauli Gaeilge cruise ship.
Oh
my god, but you actually crack at you while Gaeilge your bread.
Hugh car gaki again a green.
Mis more MC, mis cos le dangle dollar and rud like agus lot ginis to much Sean.
She look at dogan with man number is sweet and why have been a clar television and bunch.
Yeah,
you know,
shop.
I would man acrylic hair as a car teach cars out. How much $1 watch as I'm good or take the lime shoot a car hair.
Disaster waiting to happen. What do you got? So the Reic, like gentle good enough la sharp bleiann agus a mage no imachtí there for whatever. Cain agus ní caiitú anim ding be alone shot. I like a general this crack at you to feck good agus too like imacht culture like Cahair like a seal the like I just feel like being doing just bunch of trail us ein rod.
The conig mé far or one a global honor hat agus vi sé kind between gosúla tá idir é hain agus Harry Potter.
Hey!
Sounds familiar.
She's exotic age to care the fact that got a Jerry goes fuck on way. Cut in tá fila an dar ban Marcus McNeil. August just if like just not word on it's just like on a performer like just then she really just co-professionta Renny sé rud or one grab like the dawn again we brat on Aintish August like brat on riaf Ainta August vi sé like ik bin one vi sé leor and tal be on brat air but vi sé kind treat on brat like leis and right like just August maybe it's a real next bin sé denna fifth then a vac nisha August bin sé denna kjol August like silly up leis and go like punky August yeah brother on Tanamatá and progression I mean gacardi in shem as bar beam just tweak gasa ege but dirty road cragals by taspontis egg Aerach Aiteach Gaelach so tá core groupa Áine dar ban Aerach Aiteach Gaelach bunathe agumsa agus machovador own McAvoy le gavli in the news I know. Oh my god.
It's Gralamon. The own more chags programs in UCD such a fire to my life.
Oh.
Yeah, it's Bralam.
I'm craving that ein rod a dowlam to it.
Dolam may from out to just go hig the Shamri or the rang in the Cora. I guess just pretty gana in over again from out to just land out she's star whatever because we should Nirosha more like Munchar we shall like just like genuinely like the Canada like facilitator the Cora or whatever. But they just found cracking or whatever if we could be rather than now say play and then a hand shark we should like agus connect with go we got like a pop girl and shark and show we got like and then feck it to A and shin and you're like oh my god Owen.
Such a good talk. Yeah, frankly in Jay on a good ready August post like Jay say on a good Ibra August just like does say gone there gone start gone stay I'll catch you on spatial group to say frastal air wrong and a Gaeilge like Saulium Goshen co-at mar counter Lucas like
well free modules be on basically we should just like the my Gary just because like UCD dan yarna to in the tree like core model what true on like in cabin and darn is a tree of Leon so dan yarn to each in yo to minor so Gaelic so technically so technically to barley same McCain that barley la drama at la minor so Gaelic but like Yarma like tap like we would just like a semester away and Leon like just ran his a couple of sham or whatever and you roll them up brother be gramedy or whatever which arms like ni in the moon chart eat them out but you miss
that's all Bród
hey and Rod you're all of my funchy gramedy your beat you all me from the declenchi you all
ready out a store me new when
Michigan's le grammar Nazi and groupa being James huge like it's and then in your kaisúler sin doing this Tá siad an níos mó faoin taobh láirthe agus
chuir má chéadrán teagas ag an ócáil agus bhíorm scríomh fum hain an chuchéad focail agus chuí dúsá sin me hain chu mar séhú seach sin agus literally hí nós na cáin sa lu bhíam mar it's basically hín popper darug is mar oh my god bhfuil me actually go Gaeilge a féáil ag cóiste
chun Gaeilge a féáil ní féil English that's impossible
ní chosin rudí stupid rudí stupid
an chuí a úsáin sé béle tá sé có Gaeilach like ní éidir riamh bheith ag an level like tá sé just like
no bhí me sé an Oireachtas agus chul má daoine rá rothar is mar it's a fuck an gasfuí just rudí éirstíine is mé ní sam kitú gasfuí so bhí mar sancla
Tá mé scríb drama agus tá sé lonathe in Gaeilge agus bhí an stórrálam céir caiú seo ahrú mar nítansád an aine na focail seo ach níl is go mar mé agus facóid ar fád taimúid an folklór agus bhí oh tá focail nua a go me ggóir diagonally fearrafna agus bhí me just fém agus úsáid idir fád ach ní bheith sé riamh sa bhíorhéil mar sin tá sé dachar orm yeah so James taking her mission was
diagonally sin Gaeilge
no it's Austin Harry Potter diagonally
hey Mr. Harry Potter and Shaw 1 second
Tá browner na mé the limit
Tá chuirtú muid tá gluní agam tá literally gluní Harry Potter agam agus bhí le blianttí not bhí sé genuine prescription gluní bhí agam ar Harry Potter agus níor capá má an gotí I'd say bliana or bliana nar bhfuir man na spectacle shot I was wow sinna dá dark mar fá blian I was just dinge mé mat an se
Tá sé chrálas mar bí daine spoke as Áine bhfuil grúig chun agus féiclí agus sin las an déanra come on tá sé anna chu dtíonsa
Is gomáile sin ní hé bhfuil nachúil Harry Potter cute agus garner sé óg agus ahanrod híbáil daine oh Harry Potter it's massively olúir sin ní sé grán
Savannah say I'm down
he's a pretty cool kid oh Daniel well is pleiste ni gar bheith gurcos le pleiste a tam fá Aye, but barely could you what seachtainí I think is níos journal so yeah no near while of him or Harry Potter although better you man scar just better you my tattoo better just your man
at least Aaron didn't go to Bród because I think he's cool Aaron looks Scott my brother Jack Black
what okay fun I made Jack Black a curse Dr. Google and show mar ní dóm go bhfuil rock
yeah I think it's the brows sinna fa
Neil Brows mar sin ag Jack Black
níl should
sé na Jack Nicholson brows an tamar fad mas féidir sin
sin an fá an mé an chroméir den amtí gone tá rudí beag mar sin I need to go ní a chuna arán Nation Sea That's a fine Dr. Gaelach.
Yeah, the criminal is currently doing a head of Riva. I'm what? It's actually it's because of Jack Black. I'm well, that's just a very mean way to say in that we're seeing that why that so, thanks for that.
Áine an bhain tusa ein doppelgangers.
Nervy grúig gurk a gom for me ní smó for my kid an jazz for my Katy Perry ní go Bród bhí cos lei for me Selena Gomez I'm thank you ní me pegus le ceachtar acu ach siad am just nervín an na dahanna chéine an craic den dacin agus an grúig dacin agus dear an daine sin
an vibe céine
Yeah, for
Lucky
Mr.
Miller.
Ryan Gosling version, like just Jack. Keep out to Ciara, ain't doppelgangers.
Ní na mé nó má grifor. Ceapam go bhecum má bhuine as normal people, like an tá mar fad mar tá sé có like cad an do mescal Paul mescal, yeah. Tá sé just cosú le gach, far airnach. So like you're ein hour I have like you've reached the gab. He's like, oh, I didn't Paul mescal. I know, just far out there. Like
Sin céad rud a dúirt ahan in a faoi big Irish head them.
I think surf an roll, yeah. Agus just Brad McCree mean sé, cur GA an Ordan Nashim that like the breach garrison.
Yeah. Fashion icon.
Good Gucci iad fan je crazy like.
Yeah, if you should €2,000.
Scandalous.
Like Gucci Kildare short. That Eagrán, man, just going to email it at O'Neill's, so she does could Kildare for free. He ate on a can of short Kildare. Horrible.
Well, better tan-ish, like better shaw, like more fashion statement, like the Italian 90 jerseys. That's sometimes be like Ladawanis as Japan. She like a couple of years and be like more like street model or whatever. Because you like a 90 jersey. I guess it shouldn't be like Áine Gaeilge in the nation. So better nish Kildare GAA is gonna be the trend of the summer. Better.
Okay. So Sherihin got the basket down.
Michelle Large James for the hall just to let you know, just to let you know. Hoping to play or kill a piece of a gunshun for you and seal like Ella DTAgs for you and back into like Ahru like more seal Gaeilge. I guess Harry seal na Halina like modulation the groupie like Ella DTA like the couple of Viennish.
Yeah, tá brother an cúisciú me sin by taspátas a ggéir at Fáilte ag an Oireachtas in Líana. Agus tú caian rud is tracáilta ach tá just sú like mai sé tracáil like tá ag dúí go mai daine dul hart like an ihe sin like bach tú an show sin ar coolla tú faoin show. So tá is mean of everybody crackáilta don show sin ach cadhíal ragat is an bach mé mór an ahrú. Oh yeah, like tá gachar an Aerach is docha le roinnt blianta a nuas. Agus ceapan beidir nó daoine níos cad híann si seo nó daoine níos fásta rudí a rialanis tréid COVID like bhfuil daoine like níl nóire ar aine tá gach féin is figurí like the Sulamach agus an deise hapú like tréid bheith sa tigur fá go blion sin a bhram like it's like fashion agus just like rudí a rial agus gach fleis rud.
Yeah, she didn't say like because like I mean to missionish like my Gary like if I found it hard that thing you spoke like there's guy willing to echo like just change hand and I'm like I'm just like them I just call a ma big not to run really random on her show whatever. I'm just like yeah fuck it like Rahim on hang but yeah some shifts and James like what should like one mostly urg
Tá níos mó meas goinnar híal social inis agus deisna le dulmachchas búla daoine ura cinnte. Fiú le gothair sé na Gaeilge tá mé bú le wad níos mó daoine mlíana ná bhfuil me le riú mo híal hena rih an bléon seo. Sin cinú mo déanna níos mó ir.
Ach even at it seal Aerach or that's also like I think it was for these New Hampshire anyways that Sam Leland was the bit and Dini Oak and this now Cremus vi Dini Rodum like cup shaft on honig dinner vi so Scott also a mach Mar Aerach. So like yeah okay give all some guns for like was that you know saying difference like is that must say Aerach but like I think with a million for the Wadney Shore you're hollered like it's just I think it was mad like Niemand kostet was an de hillbilly scatty the sounds wrong with the Congo Pope go to Mar that like that so
the mas there's the kind of marriage the Reic to Champagne Queen mus in that
because much I dribble and vodka.
Yeah well like drop if you're doing all like tier hole galore so like just fast and all those we can out got it my
James disowned in a shake much chun Mara.
Beitir more cheer hunla go fáin.
I just meant in stereotypical Sean in a Gaeilge pub. Come came pub.
Well, there's actually in a space sé le ó tagan an pagréile seá tá se just néthart sa chuig blian ó seart blian ó tháinig an acht chuanas páú bhí se an éann sa seart blianis. Bhfuil cemne agus an leis sin agus bhí me just
Sin céad bóta a bhí agam.
so bhí me seachting rá le anu críomhreist bhí just lísa seam rang or whatever agus dúirte bit winterlum bhí like like mating bhí fáil like le bhátaá or whatever agus mis like feck like they're like seachting in the age like I'd be absolutely buzzing
but chéad bhót bhí am frisin actually
gur bé nó that's a good bit ní sin na mé seans gur bé
ní take on a bhí like na tamil father revision so I would say gur bé cead bhá a bhíod
chuú no build up cos chuna like cans for you chuna rá like mo chláán a lugus like rá the vote yes ma bhí car le would offer bhí se Aerach like is he but like yeah like I don't see my god vote yes like
Daryl Isagum
come on dude
but like Nisha could have something horrible like so vote I think it been referring to Canada about the on Aru le East on Uchteraan version so I think basically man nuide gedaan maar like to my get East chorsies go fé hiant me to my get my Uchteraan go half day version
both I'm sure some fast because I was like my booing and ding it because have fucking amazing over the more actor and like the courage jar like my flying to a nomination like I think it was a Celtic good to punches and like
100%
also to Michigan very more actor on but like
well like the Michigan organization now Hugh so we must go out on a dudes
all right then
so and then that's not good hates my better hates more that's my boss
in the reign of terror of a
Bei mi sé trícha ceir agus tríché seaca ceir lá go ís agus just go Hugh go doras at mar
bhfuil cumnig ar an leis an cear le bheith ru is síon in caian ball léa nar a hanig bhá mu.
Ní ra bhí mé pantybar an lá.
Of course.
Yeah, bhí si das agus cuilam ar hána sé staach le an raibh an tar gurrá like is dócha go mai mu agun agus nach mar fá deis agus an sin bhí mar just a siúil na srádanna agus bhí like an atmosphere dóchreide bhí gach duine like just a scradúil agus béiciúil agus bhí like is goibh bhí beag teach tú strádan dáma a is go inach le hallan na carach an sin a cin á spás agus bhí like duine ann le gitar agus amp over agus rointt ag dausa agus duine ann just game mar Chewbacca and dausa agus like just handful of urgent like just on law we got her just chat having got mirror yeah so on a law
light especially and kids
so Chewbacca
you got Harry Chewbacca gay icon Chewbacca it's actually, yeah exactly she's giving a rise actually and prototyped on the bears and me einrod over shul the high pride and me amateur visual the Reic na the Aerach Aiteach Gaelach and me the beer
by amateur shul sa club there's often a rave road by like drag ball Casula Paris is burning August by Dini Chanchol August by Comortish August Dushna Buchin August Nahain rather shul so it's bra me mar like nuair a Harla an reference shock hin like ní vein imachtaí Bród in Gaeilge ní vein a go merghine a bhí Aerach ní vein phobal bhí sé an like astra a bheith Aerach agus Gaeilge ag an am chéine ach chuir mé an arghine sí grúpa a bhí ban taco an is a bhí ar son an reference agus in modíine agus hosíimar an Bród sa chun ra gach blian agus hosíimar mise hosig Don Donovan an queerco chora le Dini Africa a bhela isteach agus hos mé freistal sin agus just tá sé gohéntaach is mar rud có like hosig dí óga I freistal ar na himachtaí agus captí go sé like mar a bhí a gcóí agus tí me gur minúdó like níl mé óhad ní sin na sib agus ní raibh seo ann like nar bhí mé like ar an ollscoil ach is bralam go se có náidir hadó agus bhfuil siad mar dúirt tusa James like godaginn siad amach agus like nachfuil siad có bortha gan nachróí siad an féilir fad go na deisina sin andómh go háling
jazz
mis có agus dúrge is mé am siir da beidir an bhaoine ach an sin a brunner
oh my god Mat scary ceiste chuir James ná.
Yeah, so
táach.
Ceist
Tá go
antá.
tú bagarín óbhaí le seo Ciara an ceiste le chuir ach an ceistún saying ag teide na Eagrán seo look na íon specialty saying ná. Máta go tíine réiteach go trúr be dá agus thuús ag cóisiir. Cén trúr bacháin is cin fá. Tá ná le beo marmh nó made up. Tá le mythican.
Mátá sí made up just joidú má list don bhan arfa agus ba mit an seo an leir fad. Ach so bhí mé mé ver seo rih mar is de iontaí. Bhám ón macavoy bheith lom, mar is duine co intaché agus is fé leis leir le héine, chuann sé spéisian nuir sin rudí agus tanir sin arolalas aige, agus an sin in dhéag an duine mai dhéanam dearmidir aon rud, ba sé sin in an meúdum cá a hála. So ba sé sin an lom ach cumála sin bhíneart ban buintach le airí amach na cáca a bhí Aerach a bhí a gadrih le maná eile, agus tá an spéisi gom is scéalta naán sin ach marall ar an brí le ibríon an stáis níor aithníoch na cadrih sin agus níl mór an féine a gine fi chuna sa daibrig siad. So viidir in a gcóí le chéile an amantí ach níl is a gin einward free agus okay Kurgaf Eilís tá seo co-fádálah ach fud. Eilís ní faril, okay, ní airil. Is a hug an Gaeilge donna Sasannig, Hugh she suas rádí warig léi féin agus hug si an Gaeilge donna Sasannig agus gin bhí si le mac pirish nuair a hug si an Gaeilge agus na scéalta a bheith ag an man sin agus níl siad really email an phobal. Bhrálam leir léhí agus sin tá ban eile an dar ban Catherine Lynn, bhí si mar gochtúir agus bhí si buinte le sin féin freisin agus is cosúgur agus rálam cosá chuna sa daibrig sé bheith ag an am chuna an raibh sé dachar a bheith rúnda an raibh aon áit dóibh dul le chéile an raibh aon cóisirí ann. Tá mé gofuil sin agus le scéalta a bhainein le maná atacha san ábatá catamar. Bhí an scéalta an faoine fér níos minice is ó go mar greibh daoine níos scantrí rih sin agus bhí si gcóna caiint faoi ach níach siad an dáin se céin le maná ó beidir nach raibh si có gafa leis mar gníomh oh that's just a hug, you know. So yeah, sinad na daoine around. Tá mé déanana taid a bhí láthair do gearcan an a bhaid mé déanamh faoi Bert van Aerach. I'm sure céine freisin mar sin bheith sé ionach i ggur taide an scanan leir le maná faoi conas sa daibhir sé. Mí nu a bhíon tinder acu. Tá ag conas bheith sé ag bheith radarach le duine agus tú smíanamh ó sean go ninjoí siad a gachtain ag bhfuil mé atach agus paidéir le a héil. So
Sprálam go holbhethe leis an cean ar agart. Sin cinnte an freigra is éagsúlí sin an gcóirmúid go dtí seo.
No, kinship is it's going if I can do this in the lower star even go far it's only the empty Oscar back into Oscar Wilde's much is oh no we card into my agus curried agus agus honey should but we should card you really might and it's really was the card you really might no
be changa ag Aerach Polari agus bhí si ná leir lena chéile ib go paibli ach ní héigeachtaoine ina hín cryptolect a thugtréis agus tá sé cód féisiúil an bhí sé dá séir go bheith Aerach, so sin antá go bhfuil mé cógurí leir leis an daoine sin mar níl na scéalta a gin ó bhéil an duine an bhar siad.
Bhí sé néan an slí bhí gotí líé
sé I can leaner bhí mis an snowcadí.
Sí mar se anjarna,
custí ann go dtína nócadí an air
yeah, true. Oh, sure, that's basically
Cíní dul go dtín túisgurt le cosciní a ail dul haar teoran le dail.
And mé is a sin ag capú tú dar tú a rash seal dar rugad tú fi na trabli an river seo a mé is a kind an the smugglers den na cosciní.
Níl ein dag faoi fiú mar me siad wem bhéna dulí all.
Just a bit of rebel.
I'm not going to be any baby daddy. Fuck that.
Ciara siúil thcas le like ar gan óscail like a ragweek just a caiú in na caiistení má. I got hanna den ar an Sraith. Oh my god. Yeah, no bhí sin freigar an álathe. So inis ahan í eile mé agin inis tá anbhrú arthú. Leis na tapáil. Sin go bhéh sin é. Ar dús bar go bhíon maigad le Ciara as bheith linn gur bhíon maigad. Cén eit gur féidir daoine tú amsú?
Is Lína is féile mé aimsú mise Ciara manam ar gachrad, so is féile mé aimsú gach áit faoine anam mise Ciara se.
Agus sin dún hain tá dú na seanslia ag anna lemáin hóisilta ar YouTube ar Instagram agus ar Twitter Tá Áine mar Áine Weir ar anna rud ar Twitter Instagram agus TikTok Tá James mar Fáilte ar Twitter Instagram agus TikTok agus tá hain beaglí doling mar Hugh hir ar Twitter agus Instagram agus sin just Hugh ar TikTok ní roma abta an brand synergy sin eil trasna ansure acu. Gur a mí mágus bhí géisiart linn ar an phodchraoladh agus ar radio riúp mar Sraith muid beá ahan Áine ag go hátalog agus an sin bín repeat ar siúil ar an lún ag go hátalog má caiid tú maithair so sean go géisi leis an repeat an seanis mar tá sum gro lún jazz agad a gotí an seachtainí siúginn gur mí mágus bus géisiir linn agus timuid sibh an seachtainí siúginn le í eile specialta sinné sláán.
Sláán, Fáilte.